Here are my top tips for baking beautiful cupcakes. First things first, remember to use room temperature ingredients for all your liquid ingredients, including butter as well. It makes sure that everything is blended well. Second tip is that when you add your flour, do not overmix that batter. You mix just until everything is combined and stop mixing. Make sure to preheat your oven to the temperature required. When using cupcake liners, make sure you get a high quality that is sturdy and grease-proof. You're going to fill your cupcake liners only 2/3 of the way full, a little more than half. You can use an ice cream scoop to get equal amounts in each one. Cupcakes take less time to bake than cakes, around 15 to 18 minutes, so make sure you adjust your baking time. And remember to completely cool those cupcakes before icing. And enjoy!